Welcome back to my channel. It's Lindsay. How you doing today? So, since we are in quarantine, we thought it'd be fun to take a break from some makeup. Obviously, look at this. And we decided to make a fun shake inspired by the movie Mean Girls. So if you've never seen Mean Girls, go watch it. You're missing out on life. Harper has not seen Mean Girls, so she's not there yet. But if you're an adult and haven't seen it, you should go watch it. It's probably one of Lindsay Lohan's greatest films of all time. So, and how is it inspired? It's pink. That's pretty much it. So, if you want to see how we make this yummy, tasty shake, keep watching. First, we're going to take these really pretty milkshake glasses that I already had, and we're going to take some awesome pink frosting and a butter knife, and we're going to decorate the outside of it, of the glass. And yes, I do know Harper's here today. You may know Harper from my other videos. She likes to sneak her way in there now and then. Today she was invited, so we're gonna take some of this yummy frosting and start decorating our glass. This recipe actually, oh no. It's yum. This recipe is not my own recipe. I saw it on tasty.com. If you don't know what Tasty is, it's a food blog, and they basically, if you don't know what Tasty is, I'll link it down below. Go check it out. I get a lot of my recipes from there. This one just looked fun. Like, it's not complicated or anything. It just looked like something fun to do at home with your kids. We went, there is a restaurant in Fort Collins, Colorado, which is like 30 minutes from where we live in Wyoming, and they make these yummy shakes, these crazy fun shakes too. So, and they're really good. I forget what the place is called. I'll link it below. It's a burger place, and they do customized burgers. Got mine. How's yours coming along?
I don't like it.
You don't like yours? Do you need help? I will help you. Don't worry.
I can go ahead and eat this.
I'm an expert now. Is it good? It's still good. I'm an expert now at putting frosting on a glass, so don't worry. Frosting. Get that out of here. Glasses. Bring on the candy. Step 2, candy decor. Because without the candy decor, you don't have a Mean Girl shake. We wanted to keep it kind of pink theme in the pink realm. So there's lots of pinks going on here. A lot of strawberry, cherry. But Harper's gonna show you each type of candy we got. So go ahead, Harper. What should we put on first?
Sour Patch Kids strawberries.
Sour Patch Kids strawberries. Show them what it looks like. All right, so let's decorate our glasses. You know, just kind of, this is where you get creative. Do your own thing. You know. All right, so what are we doing next?
Circus animals.
Circus animal cookies. What do those look like?
There's pink and white ones with rainbow sprinkles.
Let's decorate.
I know you can put these.
We're just gonna put these.
I'm putting all the pink ones on.
You grabbed all the pink ones. Oh, how fancy. I think I need some more strawberries. Looking good. Looking like a sugar high. Should we put some sprinkles on the sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should. Sprinkles. What color sprinkles we got, Harp?
Pink.
Hot pink. Let's show everybody what we got.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. So the easiest way, I think, is to hold your glass like this. And then pour some sprinkles on the frosting. Oh, this is a mess. This is just a crazy mess. Is any of these sprinkles making it onto the glass? Probably not. Oh my gosh.
This is a sprinkle disaster on my mommy's table.
You need vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and then you need some real strawberries. Mine are gonna be frozen, so they wouldn't go bad. So we're gonna get all this stuff and we'll be right back.
Pause it! So we are done with these for now. Now it's time to make the milkshake.
Yeah, do this. So, for this recipe, you need a few things for the actual shake part. Like I said, you can change these out to whatever suits your taste buds. But we're gonna try and stick to it. So, we're gonna have some vanilla ice cream. You can use just regular, it doesn't have to be vanilla bean. This is totally up to you.
Yeah.
Honey. As much as you want. That looks good. During these trying times, another very popular out-of-stock item is strawberry ice cream.
Yes.
So, since our Walmart was out of strawberry,
We had to get double.
we had to get Neapolitan.
Yes.
So, apparently strawberry ice cream is very popular right now. So my sweet husband has just been eating the vanilla and the chocolate, and he left the strawberry for our video. So thanks, dear.
Now next to it.
And throw this in it. Luckily, the vanilla is next to the strawberry, so we're not gonna be mixing chocolate in here. I'm really strong and super.
When I tried the strawberry ice cream, I did not like it.
Maybe you'll like it if we mix it with vanilla.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm wondering why the vanilla's in the middle.
I don't know. Comment down below if you know why Neapolitan. Comment down below if you know the reason why Neapolitan is in this certain order. Because I don't know. Next, Harper is going to throw in, we have frozen strawberries. Pour in there. Pour in there. Good job. Done.
I don't like it.
What?
Try them.
Who doesn't like strawberries? Next, we're gonna do some milk, because to make a milkshake, you need some milk.
What color is it gonna be?
The milkshake?
Yeah.
I'm hoping it's pink.
It's probably gonna be orange.
Why would it be orange?
I don't know.
There's not a single orange thing in here. All right, I don't know.
Comment down below if you know what color this is gonna be.
I'm gonna go with pink.
Looks like it's gonna turn white.
Oh, sorry. This is my channel. We have the milkshake.
It wasn't working out for us.
We made it work.
Yeah.
All right, so let's scoop our ice cream in here. We've got the ice cream. Now we need some whipped cream, some more candy, and some more sprinkles, because why not?
Sticks.
We need a decorative feature on top of our
Yes.
shakes. Bring on the candy again. Today, show them what we'll be using as topping. Harper.
This.
Sweet tart ropes. And what else? And rainbow Laffy Taffy. We're gonna take these little skewers and maybe help your child with this. We're gonna make a little decor to put on top of our shakes. fun fact about Mean Girls, because that's what this shake is inspired by. Mean Girls, believe it or not, came out in 2004. If you can believe it. If you've seen it, can you believe it's that old? It's old. Fun fact, Rachel McAdams, who plays Regina George, was actually like 25 years old when she filmed this. She was nowhere near being a teenager. And I think pretty much all of the cast, none of the cast was in high school when they filmed this. Interesting, right? I think Lindsay Lohan might have been the youngest cast member, and I think she was 19. Fun fact, fun facts. Who doesn't love a useless fun fact? So I'm gonna do one more for Harper's glass, and we'll be right back. Okay. Next
It's whipped cream.
whipped cream.
I do my own.
It's all over my camera. All right, let Mama take over. Boom. All right, there's enough. Here we go. Boom. Next, where's the sprinkles? You got like a, you're uneven over there. All right. Shall we put some sprinkles?
Yeah.
We need more sprinkles. More sprinkles.
And we're also gonna make a mess.
Oh my gosh, mine's falling. Get it together, whipped cream. All right, let's put some of these little yummy stringy things in
I
there.
don't want one in mine.
You don't have to have, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, this one.
Next, let's put our little guy in there. Our little decor.
I'm sinking.
Where's our straws? We need straws. BRB.
Mommy's gonna go again. Pink.
All right, we got our metal straws. Save the turtles, people. And there you have it. There's our Mean Girls inspired shake, milkshake. And it's out of control, over the top, but it was super fun to make. Let's try it, shall we?
Yes.
Look at this sugar high. Not bad, not bad. You're just gonna eat the whipped cream, I'm sure. I'm gonna try out this frosting that you keep eating on the side. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna try this by itself. It's sour. It tastes like, you don't know what these are, but they're called Sour Punch straws. That's what it tastes like. All right, guys, this is our final product. Super delicious, super fun to make. If your kids don't like strawberry, if they don't like vanilla, you can always choose chocolate or whatever flavor they like. Do what you want. You don't even have to make it pink. But we like pink in this house, so we went with pink. I'm gonna link this recipe for the Mean Girls one below if you wanna go check out that video on Tasty.
Give us a huge thumbs up.
And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Very important. Anyway, guys, yeah. We like to change it up now and then, take a break from the makeup, do some food videos. So if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Or hit the like button. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.